Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Albie here. If this is your first time hanging out with me, I'm happy to have you and I hope you subscribe so we can keep hanging out. This haul is going to be all H&M home because as we get deeper into the spring season, I am continuing to refresh different areas of my home to really give it a spring hygge atmosphere. So if you're interested to see what I got, let's jump right into this video. For the kitchen, I got a natural white cotton runner with charcoal gray stripes to really lighten up the space since it was already full of warm wood tones. This neutral textile would really ground the space while also still complementing the wood cabinets. Also for the kitchen, I got a new wooden cutting board, a slightly smaller one than the one we already have. Gives some depth and visual interest in what is a pretty basic looking kitchen. Also for the kitchen, but not really for the kitchen, I got a rabbit soap dispenser. In the spirit of Easter, I could not resist the white rabbit and I decided to fill it with my hand sanitizer, and it would live on the counter side by side with my hand lotion dispenser. If you saw my first Globe Collaborative unboxing, you saw that I did receive a glass bottle as well as some hand lotion. So that is actually what's in that bottle, and I just replaced the top that it came with a stainless steel pump. Side by side, these two are like the perfect hand care station. Next up, I got a 4-pack of scented candles that all feature a sort of palm leaf print, which I thought was perfect for the spring season. Most likely I'm going to be using these 4 throughout the front area of the apartment, but once everything is styled and situated, I'll see exactly where to place them. No matter where they are, they're going to be the perfect final touch of greenery. I also decided to go ahead and grab 2 new glass carafes with Cork Stoppers. I wasn't sure at the time if I was going to be using them on my bar or in the kitchen. I decided to go ahead and use them in the kitchen and actually in the fridge to minimize how much space the juice bottles take up in their original packaging. While I do plan on doing a few tweaks in the living room, and quite a bit of them are already underway, there wasn't really too much for me to get for the living room. However, I could not resist getting this white photo frame with the bunny ears. Next up, a lot of what I got is actually inspired by the overhaul I plan on doing on our balcony. I decided to start collecting some of the decorative accents that I wanted to be part of that transformation. I decided to get 2 new lanterns for outside. One, a charcoal gray large candle lantern with the most beautiful braided hyacinth casing, and the second one being a large metal candle holder, also in charcoal gray but with perforated sides. What I love about both of these is that I can place my black flameless candles inside of them, giving the illusion of a burning light, and the black on black, well, charcoal gray on black, really kind of just gives it a beautiful, elegant, monochromatic look, perfect for the outdoors. Also for outside, I got 2 new pillow covers. If you know nothing else about me, you absolutely should know that I stand for cushion covers, and H&M Home never disappoints. These leaf patterned pillow covers I thought would be perfect for the pillows that I keep outside. They are a slub weave, perfect for the outdoors, but if I wanted to use them inside, I could also go ahead and do that, adding more greenery to the living space. My favorite feature is that in a subtle gold text, it reads, "Simple is beautiful." That sums up everything. Last but not least for this haul, I also got a new pair of guest towels. They are a pair of velour towels with a floral spring inspired print, and I thought these would be absolutely perfect to kind of thread this spring floral theme from the front to the back of the house. I can't wait to start styling and pulling everything together, and I really hope you guys enjoyed seeing everything that I purchased. That is what I love most about the spring refreshes and spring cleaning. It really gives me a chance to examine everything with fresh eyes, and I'm not just getting these random pretty things, but they can actually be staple pieces, because in my book, these are spring essentials. So like I said, I hope you enjoyed this haul. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you enjoy my channel, do not forget to subscribe, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye.